Alright guys, let's go to the cruise ships. We've only missing the cruise ships. Alright guys, let's go to the beach. We're missing the cruise ships. Oh look, look, look. Look at the celebrity cruise ships. Look at the celebrity cruise ships. Woo! Woo! Look. Be careful, be careful. Julius. Celebrity cruise ships. Celebrity cruise ships. Oh, the celebrity cruise ships. This is the celebrity cruise ships. Okay, we can go to America and build the cruise ships. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is cruise ships. Whoa. Look at the celebrity silhouette. A single day. This is when you get ships. There he goes. Celebrity cruise ships.
What? Tell me. I can bring you. Oh. I'll stay for a little bit.
Because the cruise ships are earlier. Oh, look at the ducks. There it goes. There it goes, the celebrity silhouette. Wow. Look at this on the dock. Look at the cruise ships. Now it's like a Finland on the cruise ships. There it goes. Number one. Ships. Cruise ships. What the? Is it a dog? Look at this little line on the sea. Look at the Disney cruise ships. Well, look at the celebrity cruise ships. Oh, look at all the celebrities are key. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, the cruise ships. It's celebrity cruise ship. There it goes. The next one is Disney cruise ships. There it goes, the celebrity silhouette. Wait. There it goes. There goes the cruise ships. I hope you enjoy the episode. Like and comment below, and this is Chips. Thank you for watching.